Yeah, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ní nílé lóko lọ́nà àjò pàápàá ní ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Mo fẹ́ fún yín ní update lórí ọ̀rọ̀ matchmaking. Hold on a second. I think that's the delivery. Mo fẹ́ fún yín ní update kan lórí ọ̀rọ̀ matchmaking. Àwọn kan ti contact mi láti America and I think they are really interested pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ matchmaking. Pàápàá tí mo sọ wípé we need to help our young graduates, àwọn tí wọ́n ṣetán ní school, àwọn tó jẹ́ professionals, pé we need to help them. And ìmọ̀ràn mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń pè mí fún matchmaking. I don't know how you will feel about this, but I'm very sorry to disappoint you that priority mi nísìn ó ní àwọn young girls, àwọn young graduates tó ti lọ sí university tó wọ́n jáde tí wọ́n ríṣẹ́, tí wọ́n lọ sí university tí wọ́n jáde tí wọ́n ríṣẹ́, tí wọ́n struggle, tó jẹ́ wípé okay, for instance ẹni tó lọ ṣe nursing ní university, tá bá ní doctors ní London, tá bá ní doctors ní America, good combination ni wọ́n. Ẹni tó jẹ́ economics, tá bá rí accountant, tó ẹni tó lọ ṣe accountancy ní university tó lọ ṣe BSadmin, tí wọ́n bá connect wọn, good combination ni wọ́n. Mo sorry láti sọ, gbogbo mo ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù ní gbági, mo ní kíní kan, ẹ ṣe hold on please. My priority ni àwọn ọmọ tó lọ sí school tí wọ́n jáde school tí wọ́n ríṣẹ́, tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ní certificate yìí lọ́wọ́, tó bá dé bíbá wọn ò lè useless, wọ́n á rí nǹkan ṣe. And àwọn tó pè mí láti America tí wọ́n fẹ́ darapọ̀ mọ́ mi, àwọn tí wọ́n ní interest nínú ni àwọn young graduates, àwọn tí wọ́n ṣetán ní school tí ò tí ì ṣiṣẹ́, lóbìnrin lọ́kùnrin. A máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní cancel àwọn ọkùnrin tó wà ní London tó wà ní America, àwọn obìnrin tó wà ní London tó wà ní America, a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní cancel wọn láti have wọn, láti take wọn ni. Because and the reason is, ẹ má bínú please, excuse me, ẹ má bínú pé mo kọ kúrò lórí screen, sorry, I had to go and check something. And the reason ni wípé wọ́n ti struggle láti jáde school, and èmi fẹ́ dúró fún wọn láti bí pé bíá mo máa dúró fún wọn pé bring this lady in. Like mo néyàn kan lọ́wọ́ nsìn, the guy is here, the lady is in Nigeria, and I'm seriously working. In fact, Saturday ni máa ṣe meeting àwọn méjèèjì. Mo ti bá mama bọ̀bọ́ yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ ní Naija, mo ti bá bẹ̀bẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Mama girl yẹn wà ní America, mo ti bá sọ̀rọ̀. And I will continue to speak to the girl from time to time. Mo máa máwọn méjèèjì pọ̀. Lady yẹn ti ṣe tó ń ṣe, ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ masters ẹ̀ lẹ́ni. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn náà IT person ní bíbáyìí. Ó ti wà nínú British Army kó tó kúrò nísìn. So àwọn ẹjọ́ ṣe rí àwọn tó ti bí mẹ́ta mẹ́rin tẹ́ ń pè mí, ẹ má pè mí mọ́. Ẹ ṣì relax. Àwọn ọmọ kan wà tí wọ́n ṣe tán ní school tí ò ṣiṣẹ́, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ní certificate tí ò sí anything lọ́wọ́ wọn. Those are the people I am really interested in now. Àwọn ni ẹni priority mi nísìnyí. Àwọn tó jẹ́ professionals, àwọn tó ti lọ sí university, àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ tó jáde school of nursing, àwọn tí wọ́n jáde polytechnic, àwọn tó jáde university, àwọn tí wọ́n, and all these people, make sure you have an account. No matter how small, go and open an account. And make sure you run that account. You help ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá fẹ́ ní diaspora, you help them to help you. And àyè wípé o máa àyè àpàlà ò sí nílùú òyìnbó. Don't think you will get somebody, or I will get somebody for you. You will come here, wá grow wings. Má bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni spiritually. Tí n bá connect ẹ mọ́ obìnrin kan àbí ọkùnrin kan tó wá fi pé o dé bí báyìí o fẹ́ dèrè, má destroy ye spiritually, má dọ̀rọ̀ dáríjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Mo sọ fún yín pé mi ò mọ̀ bóyá ọ̀run kan wà tó mo bá ti connect ẹ méyàn tó wá fẹ́ fojú mi gbolẹ̀, because I'm going to put my life online. I'm going to put my integrity and my personality online. Tó bá wá dé, bóyá o meet èèyàn kan o fi pé o máa gbà, àbí o meet èèyàn kan o fi pé bóyá o máa ṣe àṣemáṣe, máa ṣe léṣe spiritually. So look at somebody now. Hey, Dare Oluwaseun fún mi, God bless you. We missed you yesterday. Àwọn kan sì wọ́n ní 2-1. Economics jáde, wọ́n rí nǹkan kan. Are they going to continue like that? Ẹ̀yin brothers who are in diaspora, ẹ̀yin sisters who are in diaspora, I'm giving you my word. You need to help us grow. You need to help Nigerian youths grow. Kò síṣẹ́, and we know kò sí bó ṣe lè bad tó ní ìlú òyìnbó. These people will find something to do. Lè short ojú yín, lè close ojú yín kẹ́lẹ́ ní help wọn. Lè sọ ní pé nítorí pé ẹ ti help obìnrin kan ó ti fojú yín gbolẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni gbogbo obìnrin ṣe máa rí. Àbẹ́ ti help ọkùnrin kan ó ti fojú yín gbolẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni gbogbo ọkùnrin ṣe máa rí. No, you have to help our youth. Àwọn tó lọ sí university, tí wọ́n ní good qualification. Call me. I will have a database for you, and I will get your picture, and I will try. Ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ máa fi àdúrà ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Ẹ máa fi àdúrà ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yìí, bí mo ṣe wà yìí, ẹ máa dúró fún mi bí áńgẹ́lì ni. Ẹ máa pọ̀n mí sẹ́yìn ni, nítorí pé Ọlọ́run rí pé rere ni mò ń wá fún yín. So if you are a graduate, tó dẹ̀ ní good grade jáde school, tó tí mo máa gbé ẹ wò, máa mọ̀ bóyá àìmọye graduate tí ò lè fìdí ìgò kan o. I'm not talking about those kind of graduates. I'm talking about graduates with something upstairs. I'm talking about graduates who wọ́n lọ sí school, that pass through the school and allow the school to pass through them. Àwọn graduates tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n kọ̀ jókòó, kò síṣẹ́, kò sí anything. This is the time. Ẹ̀yin guys who are in diaspora, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ ní láti fẹ́ àwọn people yìí. Ẹ ní láti bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ẹ fẹ́ wọn nítorí kíní kan, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ níwèé lọ́wọ́, tẹ́ ẹ níṣẹ́ iṣẹ́ gidi lọ́wọ́, tí ẹ lè fi gbé wọn wá sínú ìlú òyìnbó. This is another way láti influence country yín positively. This is another way to alleviate poverty in your country. Because tó bá mú ẹni tó jẹ́ nurse tó mú wá sí ìlú òyìnbó, wàá gbé sí ọ̀nà bó ṣe máa ṣe àwọn professional courses tó máa ṣe start, tó máa gba owó gidi. Tó bá di ẹni tó jẹ́ first degree nílùú òyìnbó, bó jẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà, tó bá mú wọ bíbá, bó jẹ́ security, bó jẹ́ cleaning, á ṣe. A lè fold arms wa ká ní kò síṣẹ́ nílé nítorí ẹ̀ náà àwọn tó dẹ̀ ti kàwé náà kọ́kọ́ wà useless, kọ́ má ní hope. A ní láti fún wọn ní hope by way of marrying them and bringing them here. Èmi máa dúró fún wọn, and I have other people that will stand for them. And again, I will go spiritual for anybody tó bá fi ojú mi gbolẹ̀. Anybody, mo sọ mi ò fi pamọ́, mi ò ń lọ church, mi ò ń lọ mosque. Mo believe lórí ìṣẹ̀ṣe. Anybody tó bá fi ojú mi gbolẹ̀ lórí nǹkan tí mo dáwọ́lé yìí, èmi náà máa fojú ẹ̀ gbolẹ̀ ni. À ń sọ pé kọ́mọdé má dẹ́tẹ̀ tó bá ti lè dá gbogbo. It is high time ká help àwọn young graduates wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin tẹ́ wà in diaspora, please call me. Call me. I will stand. I have other people. Whatever you want me to use to stand, I will stand for them. But before I can totally stand for anybody, èmi náà ti scrutinize wọn. Èmi náà ti get into the family background. Èmi náà ti get acquainted pẹ̀lú family àti ìgbésí ayé wọn. Ṣó ti yé yín? I'm not nítorí ẹ̀ mo sọ pé I don't know how other people want to look at this. All this motaja logda gbagi. All this motibimo mefa, I'm a single parent. Don't call me. Don't call me for now. Ó lè kàn yín later. Ó lè padà wá kàn yín. But for now, I want the graduates. I want àwọn tó lọ sí school, tí wọ́n rí ṣẹ́ṣe, tí wọ́n rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Kí lèèyàn tún fẹ́ ṣe? Èèyàn ti lọ kàwé, kò rí ìwé fi ṣe nǹkan kan. Èèyàn lọ kàwé, ó jáde, kò rí ṣẹ́ṣe, ó máa wà frustrated. Ó máa wà frustrated. I do not have a job tí mo fẹ́ for anybody, but I know that tí ẹ̀yin people tẹ́ bá lè fẹ́ wọn wá síbí, wọ́n rí iṣẹ́. And when you marry a lady nínú family ẹ̀, ó ti alleviate poverty at least 50%. 50%. Ìyá tó bímọ mẹ́fà tí ẹyọkan wà labroad ó ní nǹkan tí ẹyọkan yẹn máa ṣe ẹyọkan yẹn náà torí ẹ bá pé mi ò sọ pé abroad ni kíní but assistant now abroad ṣì ló ní survivor àtàwọn tó wà ní Naija torí kò síṣẹ́ kò sí business kò sí anything ẹ má jẹ́ ká tanra wa anybody tó bá wà labroad tó bá ń sọ pé is abroad the ultimate abatẹnijẹ́ èèyàn ni kó náà kẹ́rù kó lọ sí Nàìjíríà kó lọ jókòó the way he stands now kò síṣẹ́ wọ́n jáde kò síṣẹ́ kò sí bó bá ṣe business business ò lọ dédé. Why would you be discouraging people from coming abroad? I would encourage them to come, and the only way I can encourage people is ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà in diaspora ẹ má sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ obìnrin ní Nàìjíríà. Don't say that. Don't stereotype. Bá fi pé nítorí pé obìnrin kan ti ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa and ẹ má generalize. No, ẹ má generalize. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní diaspora ni mò ń bá wí. Especially ẹ̀yin tẹ́ níwèé, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní what it takes to bring people abroad, to bring obìnrin wá abroad, to bring ọkùnrin wá abroad. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní what it takes. Please, help àwọn graduates wa. Help our graduates wa. I beg you. I am going to stand for them, and I am not going to do it without carrying along their parents. Àwọn parents wọn náà máa stand fún wọn. Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n bá máa fi wá bí báyìí, àwọn parents náà máa commit ara wọn sí. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, leave it to me, and I am assuring you, kò sí anybody tí ó máa múyàn wá láti Nàìjíríà, kò bá jọkùnrin, kò bá jóbìnrin tó máa regret. So ìwọ obìnrin tó lè fall sínú category yìí, honestly, bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tẹra ẹ nínú. Tó bá níwà jágbajàgba, tó níwà rédèrèdè, tó níwà jákujàku, bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa drop ẹ. Tó bá ti níwà pé mo fẹ́ lọ dé ìlú òyìnbó dèrè, bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa drop ẹ. Ìwọ ọkùnrin náà, tó bá níwà orí burúkú lára, ìwà òṣì pé kó dé bí kò máa bẹ́ káàkiri, bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa drop ẹ. Nítorí má jẹ́ kí n tàn ẹ́. Wàá go through a lot kó tó lè sọ pé o wọ̀lú for anybody tí mo bá matchmake ẹ fún. And apart from that, tó bá misbehave, máa lọ spiritual pẹ̀lú ẹ. Nítorí pé mo máa fi life mi online, mo máa fi personality mi online, mo máa fi prestige mi online, mo máa fi integrity mi online, and I will not allow anybody to drag me. So tó bá ti níwà monofiki, lọ drop ẹ. Ìwọ young graduate, go and open an account. Try as much as possible to get yourself an international passport. Open an account. Have accounts. Go and open a bank account. Run that account. No matter how little to bá get, to iṣẹ́ tó bá get, lọ wá kó lọ ṣe. No matter iye tó bá fún ẹ, gbogbo payslip tó bá fún ẹ, bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní keep ẹ. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní keep payslips ẹ. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní run account ẹ, lọ open account as a young graduate. Go, in fact, as a matter of fact, account tó bá ti open fún NYSC, ó valid. Ó valid. Zeyiya, whatever, you cannot push me. School level, shut up and get out from here. If you don't understand what I'm saying, please leave my platform. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn graduate tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ school leave. Kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú yẹn? Mo ní àwọn tó ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù ní Gbágígan, don't call me. Single parent ni mi, ìwọ tó ti tọ́ marriage wò rí, ìwọ tó ti bímọ, don't call me for now. Let me face our young graduates. Let me face the people tí wọ́n ti lọ sí school, tí wọ́n ti ṣetán, tí wọ́n rìn gbèrègbèrè, tí kò sí iṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn, tí wọ́n mọ̀wé, tí wọ́n máa at the end of the day tí mi máa wà frustrated láti lọ gbébọn, ìmí máa wà frustrated láti lọ ṣe nǹkan tí ò yẹ kó ṣe. Let me face them. Ìwọ tó ti ní business tó ń ṣe, ó ti ní means of livelihood. Ẹni tí ò ní business, tí ò ní nǹkan kan, tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó lè ṣe láyé, gbogbo wa kọ́ la lè ṣe business. Àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé wọn ò lè ṣe nǹkan méjì láyé yàtọ̀ sí ìwé. Tó bá dẹ̀ rí result wọn, kí làlá mọ̀ rí pé kéèyàn lọ sí school, mọ bó ṣe wà depressing, tẹ́ kéèyàn lọ sí university, kó jáde with good grades, kó má rí iṣẹ́ ṣe, kó wá tún wá lọ máa yọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn tí ò ka nǹkan kan, kó máa rí àwọn tí ò ka nǹkan kan, kó máa wà successful lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́, mọ bó ṣe wà frustrating tó. And hence mo fi sọ pé ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti tẹ́ jáde school, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jáde school, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jáde school, ẹni iṣẹ́ tẹ́ bá rí nísìn, ẹ gbà mú. You know why you have to gbamu? For you to have a bank account and for you to be able to run your account and for you to have a pay slip. Iṣẹ́ ẹ má ṣe iṣẹ́ tí wọn ò ní lè fún yín ní pay slip. Iṣẹ́ tí ò ní lè transfer owó yín sí account yín directly from the company. Ẹ ṣe iṣẹ́ tó máa ní record tó jẹ́ wípé the company will pay your account directly. So that at the end of the day you request for your pay slips. Iṣẹ́ tí company yín máa pay account yín directly ní kẹ́ ṣe. Ẹ má ṣe iṣẹ́ from hand to hand. Kò bá jẹ́ 50,000, kò bá jẹ́ 10,000 naira náà san fún ẹ lóṣù. Make sure pé that kind of job will be, your account will be paid directly by your company and you would have access to your pay slips. Don't go and do hand to hand. Please. And make sure wípé at least ẹni tó bá jẹ́ graduate have to go through NYSC. Make sure you have your bank account intact and you are running your account. As from today, anybody tó bá pè mí pé mo ti bímọ, I'm a single parent, màá sọ̀rọ̀ tí ò dá sí yín. Tó bá fẹ́ pè mí as a single parent, lè pè mí lórí ọmọ ẹ. Don't call me again as a single parent. I need a husband. I don't want to, I'm not interested. I'm interested in those young people. Tí wọ́n pè ní lazy people. I'm interested in those young graduates out there. Tí wọ́n ríṣẹ́, tí wọ́n suffer, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe, tí wọ́n ti lọ sí school, tí wọ́n ti jáde. Ìmí tó bá ní dignity, tó bá ní integrity, I refuse láti marry until tó bá rí iṣẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ ń dàgbà. So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní diaspora ni mo pàpà ń bẹ̀ báyìí. If you love me, and you really love my program, and you believe in me, you trust me, you need to start marrying our young graduates from Nigeria, especially the professionals. I want to ṣe nursing. I want to add value. Sí iṣẹ́ tí ẹ̀yin náà ní lọ́wọ́. An accountant tó bá marry ẹni tó ṣe BSADMI kò ní jẹ́ liability sí ẹ. And adema mo bá ṣe máa verify university tó lọ ti jáde. We are not going to take certificate for just that. Ama mo bá ṣe máa verify from the university to ti jáde with your grade. Ama verify it. And we'll get your parents involved. We'll get some of your lecturers, your past lecturers. Ìgbà tẹ́mi ma transcript mi kó tó fún mi ní masters níbí, wọ́n get in touch pẹ̀lú school mi. We will do that. Because now people have started calling me from America. They want to work with me on this case. Àwọn conditions tó dẹ̀ fún mi ni wípé the graduates first. Àwọn bá mi mobilize àwọn graduates tó wà l'America. Àwọn tó wà níbí báyìí náà call me. Ẹ má close mind yín. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bímọ sí Nàìjíríà kẹ́ tó wá bí báyìí. Ṣé ẹ̀yin gbàdúrà káwọn ọmọ yín má dìde ni? Ẹ lè gbàdúrà káwọn ọmọ yín dìde now. Àwọn eléyìí wọ́n ṣetán ní school kò sí nǹkan kan. Ẹ máa sọ pé nítorí pé ẹ fẹ́ mú wọn wá síbí. Ẹ dẹ̀ máa ní Nàìjíríà bàjẹ́. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ contribute? This is a good way to contribute to your country. This is a good way to contribute to your country. So why tẹ́ ṣe lè mú àwọn èèyàn wá kẹ́ fẹ́ wọn? Why tọkùnrin ò ṣe lè invite obìnrin? Why tóbìnrin ò ṣe lè invite ọkùnrin? A mọ̀ wípé yes, oríṣiríṣi nǹkan lèèyàn ti rí, but nísìnyí abẹ́rẹ́ wọn máa ní okùn nídìí. Abẹ́rẹ́ wọn máa ní okùn nídìí. Èmi ní okùn wọn. Àwọn ni abẹ́rẹ́. Wọn ò lè misbehave. Ẹni tó bá misbehave ó máa kúkú òjijì ni. Mo máa bá mu débẹ̀ ni. Honestly. Torí wípé tó bá misbehave wàá fi block others ni. Mi ìdẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kó kórí burúkú ra àwọn tó kù. Torí àwọn kan ló ti ṣorí burúkú síwájú tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí àwọn obìnrin máa dájú, kí àwọn ọkùnrin náà máa dájú. So mi ìdẹ̀ nígbà kí ẹ̀yin káwọn ẹlòmíì tún wá ṣe orí burúkú yẹn lórí platform mi. Tó bá ti misbehave tí bá ti gbọ́ màá bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Ọmọ tí mo fún ní èèyàn kan l'Amẹ́ríkà láti níbo lọmọ yìí wà, Egypt. Ó fẹ́ lè kú. Mo ti block ẹ̀ sí gbogbo avenue tó fi lè get bọ̀bọ́ yẹn náà ti block. Ó block ayé ẹ̀. Ẹni tí mo wá padà gbé fún bọ̀bọ́ yẹn Nàìjíríà ló wà. Ọmọ yẹn sì ti plan láti wá, wọ́n ti plan láti mú wá sí America. Ìkan náà mo tún máa ṣe kan ní next week. Mo ń ṣe lábẹ́lẹ̀, but I'm doing it pẹ̀lú àwọn professionals, àwọn graduates. Àwọn graduates ó jáde tí ò níṣẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin màmá, ẹ̀yin ọlọ́mọ mẹ́ta, ẹ̀yin mo tajà ní kíní kan gbági. I'm a business woman. Ẹ lọ sẹ́ńpẹ́. For now. Mi sọ pé kò ní kàn yín. but go and see me for now. Allow me to deal with people to just one they were frustrated láti jalè. One they were frustrated láti join kidnappers. One they were frustrated láti join hooligans. One they were frustrated láti join aya assassin. One they were frustrated láti join a lot of things. Nígbà tó bá ti lọ sí school tí wọ́n rí nǹkan kan ṣe. And they can come here and start from this crash with this Emi Oka ìwé mi nílùú yìí. Yàtọ̀ sí certificate tí mo gbé wá láti Naija mo fi ṣe masters. I'm telling you. So who says it depends on the grade tó bá mú jáde láti university? Who says le fi certificate lọ sí school bí tó bá ti gbé sórí NARIX. Tí NARIX they accept here. Tó bá ti gbé certificate o kò máa need the school site. Tí school site ẹ bá ti dúró bó bá ti ẹ dúró gan o lè padà lọ ṣe àwọn kíní be school site equivalent to school site níbi by maths and English not really need you. O lè lọ tún ṣe bí with your certificate. I'm telling you, Benny, ọwọ́ tó dilẹ̀ òní rere ń sọ. Idle mind is a devil's workshop. Tí àwọn ọmọ yìí bá ṣetán ní university, tó ṣetán ní polytechnic, and as a matter of fact, I am not condemning polytechnic. Please, in this country, I am telling you, ní ó bá wà nílé, mo wà blunt, tó bá lè try as much as possible to avoid not going to polytechnic. Try to do it. Jẹ́ kí university jẹ́ priority ẹ. Jẹ́ kó jẹ́ first choice ẹ. Tó bá ti kàráǹgídá tó rọ́nà àbáyọ mọ́ ni kó mú poly. Torí mo rẹ́ni tó mú HND ẹ̀ wá bí báyìí tó gbé lọ sórí NARIX tó ní equivalent to A levels ni. Mo sọ tòótọ́ fún yín. Wọ́n gbé sórí NARIX níbí equivalent to A levels ni. According to what she told me. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ó yẹ ká jọ ṣe masters ni but ó ṣẹ̀ lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti BSc. Torí wọ́n accept HND certificate yẹn. So tó bá lè try láti avoid tó pé kí first choice ẹ jẹ́ university. Please do it. I'm begging you. But tí o bá sọ́nà àbáyọ in order for you not to just stay idle pé kó má ṣiṣẹ́, you can go to polytechnic but tó bá lè try kí first choice ẹ jẹ́ university. Do it. Please. So ẹjọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin màmá ẹ lọ sempe. Ẹ̀yin mo ti bímọ mẹ́ta, I'm a single mother. Ma ọkọ mi kú, I want kini kan. I'm not interested. Tó bá ní ọmọ tó jáde do you know the problem láti jáde university? Do you know what they go through? Even ko job nothing gba mark, do you know how many lecturers tó máa dán wọn? Do you know what they go through? Kó wá jáde, kó tún wá di wípé ó máa lọ máa tọrọ jẹ. Wọ́n jáde kò síṣẹ́ kò anything. Kó wá jáde kó má sí anything. Ẹ wá ní kó má wà frustrated láti lọ gbébọn. Ẹni kó má wà frustrated láti lọ jalè. Ẹni kó má wà frustrated láti di kidnapper. Kó má wà frustrated láti di aya assassin. Do you know how frustrating to go to university and come out? Èmi university mo lọ, mo máa ń fi àdá ṣọ́ igbó báyìí kí tó wọnú school ni. Nígbà tí UNAD ní tó wà ní Ondo State University ni mo wọlé and I came out as UNAD. Gbogbo àwọn tó bá gbé lọ ní Wòròkó ní ọdún ìgbà yẹn, wọ́n mọ bí tí Wòròkó wà. Wọ́n mọ bí Wòròkó ṣe rí. You know how frustrating it is for you to go to university and come out and kó tún wá máa wo rẹ̀ useless, kó má lè ríṣẹ́ tó dá. You come out with a 2-1, you come out with a first class and you're not doing anything. Do you know how it is? Even in Nigeria gan, àwọn kan wà tó bá mo ti lọ ṣe interview rí, àmì mo ti lọ ṣe test báǹkì kan rí mo forúkọ bò láṣìírí ní those days. Oshekita, God bless you. Ní those days. Tí mo don't they announce if you are HND holder, go out. Mo ṣe sọ wípé tó bá lè avoid, tó bá lè jẹ́ wípé o lè try láti make your first choice of school university. Please try and do that. Let polytechnic be your second choice. And tó bá dẹ̀ ti wọ polytechnic, jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, máa wò wípé OND ló jẹ wọ́n. Pé after your OND direct entry to university ni kó máa wá. Máa wò pé OND àfi tó bá ti rọrọ ẹ pin o pé Naija ló fẹ́ gbé láíláí. Máa wò pé OND nìkan ló jẹ wọ́n. Pé tó bá ti ń ṣe tán ní OND báyìí òun cross sí university ni. Please, I'm telling you. I'm not sure if I'm offending some people. I'm not sure if some people are not happy with me, but I'm just saying it by all this. I'm a single parent with 3 mothers. I'm a single parent. Don't call me again for matchmaking. I want to concentrate on graduates. I want to concentrate on Nigerian youths. People that have gone to school, that have suffered. People that have allowed school to pass through them and have passed through school. Those are the people I want to concentrate on. And I'm going to put myself online. I'm going to put my integrity, my personality online. I'm going to beg and placate and solicit on their behalf. I'm not going to do that. For I want single parents. I want to ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù ní gbági. I want tí wọ́n yẹ pé kò ṣe gbogbo wa la ní ọpọlọ àti ṣe business. Ẹlòmíì wà, ìwé nìkan ló lè ṣe. Those are the people I'm really interested in now. And please, if you do not fall in this category, do not call me. To back pay me, I will sound very nasty and saucy. Their parents can call me, but don't bombard me with calls. Do not bombard me with calls. Àwọn tó kọ mi bá mú, tí spirit mi bá sọ fún mi pé eléyìí o kò ní ṣe monofiki pẹ̀lú mi, màá mú wọn. And I can assure you pé bí Ọlọ́run ṣe ń bẹ tí àánú ẹ wà lágbára gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó sólé ayé gbogbo Ọlọ́run tó sólé ayé àti lágbára gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ayé, it will be successful. I will do it and it will be successful, and I will get some people out. To dem orúkọ mi dem máa wà nílẹ̀ pé okay, true Yinka ni mo fi ṣe lé. But all the single parents, ọjà gbági, mo lọ́jà ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù, I'm a businesswoman, go and focus. Ẹ lọ face business yín. Àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ tí ní business. Àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n ṣe kankan. Ìwọ tó bá jáde BSc nursing, call me. I will lead you through on how to write international exams. Where ìjọba ìlú ìtì ẹ lè invite ẹ pé kó wá kọ exam. I will lead you through, and I will link you with somebody tó lè help ìrìn àjò ayé ẹ. But ẹ má parọ́ fún mi o. Tó bá parọ́ fún mi tí ìgbésí ayé ẹ tó bá ní problem kan tẹ́lẹ̀, má bẹ́ hadi méjì sí hadi mẹ́ta. Ẹ má parọ́ fún mi. Ìwọ HND, yeah, you can go for postgraduate, but má jẹ́ kí n tàn ní ìlú yìí o. HND tí wọ́n gbé lọ sí Narix, wọ́n ní A levels ni o. Òótọ́ ni mo sọ fún yín. HND is fine, but if you can have anytime you want to go to school, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti wọ school sí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ make priority yín kí university jẹ́ 1. Then ẹ lè wá second choice yín lè wá jẹ́ polytechnic. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti wọ school tó jẹ́ pé OND ló lọ ṣe, fi sọ́kàn ẹ pé o kò fẹ́ ṣe OND ni, kó cross lọ sí university. The way things are going now, I am telling you this, I don't care how you feel about it, but I'm saying nothing but the truth. Ẹni tó bá mọ̀ nípa Narix UK, ní kàn bẹ́ẹ̀ find out. Ní kàn bẹ́ẹ̀ find out. O lè gbé certificate ẹ wá síbí kó dẹ̀ lọ lo straight. You have to send it to Narix, and Narix á bẹ́ẹ̀ convert it to UK standard. And you must own láti ní kíní tó máa ní jáde, grade tó máa ní jáde. You can't come in here with a 3rd class or kíní kọ́kọ́ fi pé bóyá wọ́n á gbà wọ́n ní gbà o. So if you want to go to university to study, prepare yourself to go to university. Pé ọdún mẹ́rin ni mo fẹ́ lò, serious pẹ̀lú ọdún mẹ́rin yẹn, kó gbàgbé gbogbo every other things, kó dẹ̀ ṣe ọdún mẹ́rin yẹn, kó ṣe kó kúrò ńbẹ̀. When I was in university, Ọlọ́run mi mọ̀ Miss Unad. Àwọn tá bá jọ lọ sí school wọn mọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí. Mi mọ̀ Miss Unad. Mi bá wọn lọ sí pé wọ́n lọ ṣe party rí. Mi ò lọ rí. Mi ò lọ sí beauty. The only time tí wọ́n bá force mi lọ nígbà tí Pastor Adeboye wá sí Ado, mi ò bọ́ta nlé mi bí gbogbo wọn ṣe lọ tó. Mi bá wọn lọ sí party rí. Wàhálà ò bá mi mọ́lẹ̀ rí. Torí tí bá ti ṣe tán, ìsídà kí n délé báyìí, kọ́ ní wàhálà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ in school. Àbí kí n kúrò school, kọ́ ní wàhálà ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Mi ò witness anything rí, torí mi ò lè bá mi ní party, ò lè bá mi ní miss anything. Ìwé ẹ̀fíkò náà máa ń pè mí. Nínú ilé mi, wọ́n máa ń kó àwọn èèyàn máa ń wá sínú ilé mi wá kàwé ni. Mo ní group. So mo ti mọ̀ pé ọdún mẹ́rin ni mo fẹ́ lò, mo dẹ̀ gbájú lọ́dún mẹ́rin, and I came out with good grade. And that is it. Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo bá fẹ́ ṣe ní after ọdún mẹ́rin yẹn, kò sẹ́ni tó máa dì mí lọ́wọ́. ó dàbí ọmọ kékeré tó ń kánjú dóko ni oko tó máa dó dọjọ́ alẹ́ kí ló ń kánjú dó fún school tó jẹ́ pé ọdún mẹ́rin ni pátápátá ọdún márùn tó bá fẹ́ ṣe law ọdún méje tó bá fẹ́ ṣe medicine ọdún méje yẹn fílẹ̀ wípé gbogbo nǹkan every other thing put them on hold kò dẹ̀ gbájúmọ́ kò lè ní good grades jáde torí ò mọ bí tí orí ń tì ẹ lọ ká lèmi ò ti serious ń gbà yẹn kí mú grade tí mo ní mo máa ṣe lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ from BSc níbi by the same nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe tẹ́lòmíì ló ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti láti beginning ó ní mo jump sí masters because of my grade. So I beg you, whatever you want to do, especially when you're in university, please, tó bá jẹ́ ọdún mẹ́rin ló fẹ́ lò, gbájúmọ́ ọdún mẹ́rin yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ ọdún mẹ́rin le márùn ló fẹ́ lò, gbájúmọ́ ọdún márùn yẹn kó lò kó jáde with flying colors. So, o lè wá jáde bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kẹ́yìn màmá ọlọ́mọ méjì mẹ́ta, I'm a single parent, I'm a widower. Kẹ́ wá ní kí n abandon àwọn tí tèmi náà ti go through irú nǹkan bá yẹn rí tí mo mọ̀ pé kò easy. Ọlọ́run ló yọ mí lọ́nà àdó yẹn tí mi ò àìmọye ẹni tó lọ tí ò bọ̀. Mo mọ̀ wípé mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé a lot of students náà ló lọ sí University of Maiduguri tí wọ́n jáde. Kẹ́ wá ní kí n fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ kí wá máa gbájúmọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ sọ pé I'm a single parent of 3. Please don't call me again. You want to call me because of your children. Don't call me as I'm a single parent, I want husband. I don't have husband for you. If you are professional, you are a graduate, a young graduate. In fact, if you are in your last level in university, or you are going for your youth service, call me. But by now, as a university student, you oye koti ni. Tí bá ní pé kí n block Prince Bọ́lárìnwá yìí nǹkan pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ wà discouraging. I'm going to block it. Ó yẹ kó ti ní nígbà tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ à ń solicit ìwọ ń sọ wípé they shouldn't bring anybody, they rather bring your family. Rí family tá à mú wá láti Nàìjíríà tó ń ṣekú pa ẹni tó ń rányàn lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Look at what you're talking, very selfish idiot. À ń sọ wípé ènìyàn náà ni ò jẹ́ kéèyàn ò sinmi, àwa náà là ń jẹra wa lẹ́sẹ̀. And try láti encourage àwọn èèyàn pé try to encourage people get ways of alleviating poverty ni. You want sọ pé don't bring wife or husband, bring your family member. You are an idiot. I don't want people like you. You are backward. I don't want people like you on my platform. I don't want backward people. I don't want pessimist on my platform. I don't want pessimist here. I want people that are objective. I want positive-minded people with positive vibes, encouraging people. I want people to only encourage people. I don't want people like you. I want people that are encouraging. People that are encourage other people to fall in. I don't want people that discourage people here. If you've had bitter experience in the past, don't bring your stupidity on this platform. Please. Anje kuruko tona wo lo ngbowo eseyin torí kan bá sunwon asan igba tó bá mú obìnrin kan jáde kúrò nínú family of 6 level of poverty yẹn reduce fẹ́ grow. People like you don't want Nigeria to grow, and you are the people like you will go, will go out there and say Nigeria will da kò lè da. Yes, what are you doing to make it better? What are you doing? What is your contribution to make Nigeria grow? Kini nǹkan tó ń ṣe láti make it grow? The only thing that you open your mouth to say is negative things about the country, against the country, but yet you are not contributing in any ways to make the country grow. I'm bí àwọn èèyàn tó wà in diaspora pé I encourage wọn, ìwọ wá síbí bá discourage. I don't want people like you Bọ́lárìnwá on this platform again. Get out. Fuck off. Pardon my language, please. Anyway, nǹkan tí mo ní kí wá sọ fún yín nìyẹn. The young graduates, try and have an account, run your account. If you want to work in a place that you have your payment slip or your payment detail attached to your account, and your payment goes to your account every month directly from your company. And make sure you have access to your pay slips and kí ló tún kù tí mo fẹ́ sọ, Keep yourself, be honest, purge yourself of any negativity, and please, you have my back. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ work together to make that country great. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ work together láti fi ẹ̀rín sí ojú àwọn ọmọ wa tí wọ́n lọ sí school. May God bless you all. Ìyẹn ni mo ní kí n mú wá fún yín lọ́sàn-án. And bí mo ṣe sọ earlier, pastors and reverends, if you know you cannot jẹ obo, don't come on my platform. Please, I beg you. Good. I say thank you to everyone. Awa Ibrahim, Aremu, Dare Oluwaseun Fumi. I wouldn't mind you. Please, can you message me on my WhatsApp? Dare Oluwaseun Fumi. I really want to know you better. Message me on my WhatsApp. You are a very good fan of mine. Please message me on my WhatsApp and let's talk. Until I see you again. Bye for now.